Hey, what's up, chillin'? Today we're gonna be checking out some Nike Dunks and then my Week 3 Supreme Spring Summer 2021 pickup.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, that thumbs up looking weird button, just smash it down, smash that subscribe. I'm gonna be showing you guys legit items, you know, steady stream, part of a community now, you know, where they're helping me be able to grab more items. That's so savvy. They had nothing to do with getting these Dunks though. I mean, they're great at letting me know about, you know, different new drops that are coming up. I don't have to go searching the Twitter world or Instagram or whatever, the internet, to find out about drops, so that's nice. But these were just from the sneakers app. Somehow I was able to score this pair. I was super ecstatic, just so glad. I guess we'll check them out and we could talk more about them, but here's the label on the box, you know, and just regular Nike box. I was real excited to grab this pair. They're just a classic, super classic. Look at that. The color blocking, you got white leather just covering the entire upper, and then you have the black overlays with that color blocking, the black swoosh. You have your standard Nike logo on the tongue, and then your Nike on the heel, totally blacked out. Sole, completely blacked out. Looks like they just give you the black laces with this pair, so I mean, really, since they are such a generic color, I mean, you could honestly go with a ton of different colors and it'd be totally fine. There's just a little bit of glue kind of right here. I'm gonna try and clean that up. Oh, it's not really cleaning up that much. Oh well. Yeah, so super classic pair. It's very standard, very good looking. I mean, come on, this pair, they really hit for sure. So definitely glad to pick these up in my size. Now Dunk sizing is basically true to size, I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check with these lows. Oops. Wow. Tore up that paper. Oh yeah, these for sure fit just basically true to size. They are pretty narrow, so that's something to keep in mind for anybody wondering about Dunk sizing. They look super clean, just crazy clean. I'm wearing my Uniform Studio cargo pants, just a standard size large Supreme olive tee. Yeah, fit is dope. They fit just like my old ones, all my old Dunks that I have. They fit basically the same. I don't really think there's much difference. Yeah, these ones just feel more broken in. They feel way better because I've already kind of, you know, widened out the foot a little bit. And that's something that I've got a pretty wide foot. Like, compared to my wife's foot is super skinny and mine is crazy wide. So yeah, with all my sneakers, especially the narrow ones that come not broken in already, because there's a lot of sneakers, like performance sneakers, that come already pre-broken in, or they come ready to just throw on feet and play on the court or whatever. So these ones definitely need to be worn a little bit to shape to your foot. But yeah, definitely a solid pair. I don't even know what else to say. Now I guess I can sell my Bear Brick Dunks. These are actually kind of heavy compared to these. Maybe that has something to do with the materials on this Bear Brick Dunk. Nice black and white colorway. Can replace these furry ones that I don't think I ever did wear those. I think I was going to one Christmas, since I wore that Ivy Park harness with the Callus button up, the waterfall button up. Let me know what you guys think about those black and white OG Dunks, or 2021 re-release of an OG colorway. I think that was actually just a standard colorway. I don't think it had anything to do with school spirit or anything like that. But yeah, so now we're getting into the Supreme Spring Summer 2021 Week 3 pickup that I grabbed. I was going after some of that Nike stuff. I had some of it in my cart and they sold out, so I wasn't able to grab some of the things I wanted. But I was able to get this cap that I've been eyeing for a while. In this Supreme box, we got some tissue paper, and then we have 2 Supreme stickers. But yeah, I was eyeing this hat for a while, or just, you know, like a week or so while I was seeing what was going to release. I thought it was really dope. It's that ripstop material, so I think I can wear it at work. It almost looks like it has 3M in it. Okay, so after looking closely, it definitely does not have 3M. I'm pretty sure that's not reflective. I mean, I can't get it to reflect anything. It just has a little bit of a shine to it, but I think that's just because it's a tech fabric. This one here I'm wearing now is the Cordura one. I think this was from the 2021, or maybe it was the fall 2020 season. I think that's actually what it was. And it fits me really nice. It is bigger than a dad cap would be. The standard dad cap is a little bit smaller. I want to see how the sizing was comparatively with this Supreme hat with this new ripstop material cap. I don't see any sort of labels really on this thing, honestly. Here's one that's sewn on. Looks like this Supreme cap was made in China. Hopefully everybody's getting taken care of over there. But yeah, 66% nylon, 34 polyester, and the inside 100% cotton. So that's that piece right there on your forehead. That one is cotton. And that is totally it for our labels. I guess there is a sticker label on the plastic. So you have that one. And then look at this buckle. I really like this buckle. It's like kind of transparent, but oh, come on. I thought that was kind of cool. That was a selling point for me. If I can get this to clip. So I'll go ahead and check and see how this hat is fitting. I just got off work and just, yeah, changed out of my work clothes, my uniform, postal uniform, and got ready to show you guys my latest grab. So let me know what you think about this cap. It actually does fit very similar to that Cordura one. It's a tiny bit smaller, doesn't quite go down to my ears, which is perfect. I was really hoping that this one would be one I could wear at work. This back strap though, this thing comes loose really easily. I mean, that's not really that big of a deal, but just something to note that likes to come loose. Hopefully my hair is not too terrible. I just like this color and the little tiny Supreme box logo on the front. I mean, that's so fire. Let me know what you guys think about this cap and then the dunks from today. I am going to be releasing another video, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified when that one drops. I still need to look over my Palace hoodie that I copped a few weeks ago, and then I have a Travis beanie that we'll check out. We'll also go over my review of the Yeezy Basketball Quantums. I've worn them about 6 hours so far, all in court or indoor courts, no outdoor balling. These are actually really warm, so you probably wouldn't want to ball outside of them anyways. They are a great lifestyle shoe, but I'll give you guys a little bit more of a breakdown on those in the next one. But for now, I'll leave you with a few funny memes here to send you off. The first one, well, this one's not very funny. This is just a news thing. This dude stabbed repeatedly a Jack in the Box manager because he was told to wear a mask. Like, this dude was told to wear a mask by the manager, and then this dude proceeds to try and stab this guy, and successfully does, apparently, which is crazy because he just looks like maybe a little physically challenged, but obviously not that badly. He's got his cell phone out, he's able to film, possibly, maybe that's what he's doing here. Seems like it's so funny. All these people who are crazy, aggressive, mean Karen types, they always like see somebody filming and they're like, oh, I can film too, and they're so stupid. I can't. It kind of reminds me of this next meme. This is actually a funny meme. This is Squidward throwing away his brain, and then the caption is, when you remember the right answer after the test is over. Oh man, sometimes McCarrans probably feel like this meme. I feel like that a lot of times. I'll say something in a group of people and then I think back on it. I'm like, wow, I didn't even think that. Now all these people assume I am the way that I said that I was, or that I believe a certain way, or this certain thing that I had explained to them. And I think back, I'm like, what was I even trying to say? Okay, that, yeah, my brain trashed. And then this last one, this is really me all the time, but I have to fight the urge because I want to get so much accomplished with my life. I don't have time to slow down. Seriously, I work 6 days a week, sometimes 12-hour days, and then for my one day off, I'm filming for you guys and doing stuff with family members, going to birthday parties. Anyways, on my day off, I just want to cuddle up, just like Tom is doing in this chair. It's so nice to feel cozy and all warm in your blanket after a long day of work or after just a long week, honestly. So that day off can be really nice just to relax. And sometimes I do. Some weeks, you know, for the people who follow me regularly, you see that some weeks maybe they're a little lackluster. And really a lot of times it's just because, you know, I gotta take a break. I gotta take a rest, or I've used up all the time and I gotta go back to work. So gotta clock on, you know, get on the clock, swipe in. Literally, I swipe in just like in that app game Among Us, you know, when you go to the not the admin room, but I guess it is the admin room on the other side of the table where, you know, you swipe in. I mean, literally, I don't know why I shared that, but that's how I swipe in every day. Just those old systems. All right, well, thank you guys all for following along, and definitely hit me up if you want me to make a custom shirt for you. I got these shirts I've been working on right here, some cool graphics. You got the earth right smack dab on your chest. Definitely a cool tee. And I can even like go a little bit crazy for you if you want, just a random custom. This one here I just tagged the hanger and a weird Star David, because, you know, the lineage and Jesus and all that. And then I got the world still on here a couple of times. But yeah, let me know. I do paint these all on organic, ethically sourced t-shirts, so you're getting some really high quality fabrics. And if you want something even more sustainable, then I would suggest go with the recycled cotton. I've got a few of those I've got from Noah. I only have size large or extra large, I think. And if you want to go even a step further, I do have some Noah 100% recycled cotton white tees that I can also paint for you guys. So maybe some of my videos should become NFTs. I don't know. Or like, what do you even put on? Maybe one of my first songs. I'm trying to think lately of what could be NFT'd. What of mine could be NFT, like artwork or things like that. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. If you're into NFTs, if you've got cryptocurrency. But yeah, this video is gonna end now. So peace.
Might have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a stack, won't try to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, won't try to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.